Good day everyone, welcome to my Suplit farm here in Zamboanga del Norte. We're go inside to harvest. Yesterday we have already visited and there's a lot of birds nest, and now as you can see there are a lot of birds coming out. We have to let them out first so that we cannot disturb them. So as you can see, there are birds flying, going outside. And also here is my friend Dicto. What can you say, Dick?
Planning for the next year to make a building like this.
Okay. We also want to make a bird's house. And so there's a lot of bird going out. So we let them out first so that we can go inside the building. There's a lot of birds already outside. They're flying. So let's go inside. Joy! Slide mo, Joy!
Wala na mag-harvest ng guano na yun.
Wala pa. Wala pa. Wala, lapok man. Ulan man gud ni. Sunog. Yan, Joy. Flashlight ko, Joy. Joy, balik ko flashlight, Joy. Flashlight niyo, Joy.
Sunog na po ano yun. Palimpyo ron ko dito.
Mahilo mo lang. Yeah.
Wala ilang naman.
Joy, sumabaw, Joy.
Hindi naman kantiga. Uy!
Hello.
Kumay na. Guys, ano po itong pala guys nga po? Wala po.
I-harvest na to, guys.
Masarap itong pala. Dala guys, pala na po.
Ngayon na, Joy. There's the yes. The manure droppings of the Suplit. Oh. There's leaking because it's always raining here. So I think we're gonna change the roofing, the design of the roofing. We clean first the flooring.
Sila ka salam ni makuha ni.
Wala na kung sa lahat ng ba.
1, 2, 3. 20 ka black. Kuya na dahil sa iyo kung sa sana dahil.
Hindi pa man mabot, pahulong ka. Kanang mabot lang. Sulod na, hindi na ito limpiyuhan.
Ano naman nagkahoy niya? Oo, ano siya? Pagka na siya.
Daghan siya pero gamay na itong ma-harvest kay gamay, ilagay mo na kung ingunin mo dito.
Pangawar ko dito ay parang gayilo ko parang
Nay? Nay na?
ni kasi si Parley sa taptan ito plywood.
Tanong niya, uy. Hingga na sa kabukan ni dagang uy. Bukan mo ni.
This is the bird's nest that we had harvest yesterday, and some of this bird's nest was already sent to Malaysia, and this is the remaining because some of my friends are want also to buy here locally in the Philippines, so we also sold it this bird's nest. Also we partially cleaned because there are also some portion of the nest, especially the area, the woods that they built. When you get the nest, some of the woods will stick on the just like this. So we have to remove this without soaking in the water, using this puller, so that we can send this to our friends, and they are the one who soak it in the water and get all the feeders, because some of the feeders like this one, the impurities, you can get the feeders and some, but don't have any other materials except their saliva, and of course this some feeders that stick on the bird's nest. But this breed of birds, you cannot see the without any other materials they use. They did not use any twigs or leaves of the tree. They don't use that. Only their saliva and some of their feathers stick on their nest.
I am
So
buying 500 grams for Davao order. 1 kilo.
this is half kilo.
Yeah, this is half kilo.
This half kilo.
Somebody ordered it to me here in the Polog.
And the other, the 1 kilo,
And
was
1 kilo.
this already there inside the other 1 kilo?
Yes.
Okay, it's let's see the it's 300 grams, and if this if we can fill this up, if, it can reach to 500 grams.
Look, there's really a difference for this. This bird's nest came from the bird's house building, and there's a big difference between bird's nest inside the building and bird's nest in the cave, because in the cave the feathers are so very tiny.
Yes.
And it's not easy to remove, while this one's just easy to remove. All you have to do is soak it in water to clean this up.
Just like this one, we have to remove this because this is the wood from the wood planks that we used to put inside our bird's house. So we're gonna use this. You're gonna
See, the
get this
feathers?
one. Okay, there
You
is a
just have to
feeder.
remove. And when you use this for personal consumption, all you have to do is just put it in the refrigerator with this container.
Okay.
Look,
Oh, this one. This is so clean. Look at this one. Okay.